Today, we have a long, unlayered haircut that needs structure and freedom. I'm Jason Maki, and with over 20 years of experience, in this video, I'll show you how to create a men's hairstyle that looks natural, textured, and requires no effort to style the next day. I begin with a 5.5 inches ergonomic scissor and pull the hair downward. I start cutting in a zigzag pattern to create a foundational guideline around the head, following the client's desired length. Zigzag cutting helps remove bulk and adds movement without harsh lines. These ergonomic scissors also help reduce pressure on my thumb, which is important during long cutting sessions, after more than 20 years of experience working in Dubai. I can tell you that even the simplest technique can create powerful results when done right. Now go through this video step by step, and I promise you'll pick up something new. If you do, let me know in the comments. I always love to hear what helped you most. Start this haircut from the front section, working all the way back to the crown. I begin by pulling the hair forward from the top front area and using the guideline I created earlier. This helps ensure consistency and balance throughout the haircut. After setting the second guideline near the top, I split the hair into two sections, left and right. Starting on the right, I use a zigzag technique to reduce bulk and create soft texture. I follow the original guide so each section connects seamlessly. As I work toward the crown, I continue this section by section process. I'm cutting at a 90-degree elevation to build volume and natural movement without adding bulk to the top. Now let's talk about tools. Your comb choice matters. I start with a short comb for precise control on the right side, then switch to a larger one on the left. Use whatever works best for your style. I'll redo this part later using a bigger comb for better control. Personally, I prefer a larger comb. It lifts more hair evenly, especially on longer sections. Choose what fits your hand, rhythm, and workflow. Barbers follow structure. Stylists, we create freely. This is where creativity comes alive. No single rule fits every head or texture. What matters is how you use your tools and vision to deliver the right result. You set the limit. As I continue cutting, you'll notice how consistent the layers become. Every snip follows rhythm. Every line connects. Though it looks fast, it's all from trained muscle memory. If you're starting out, pause, rewind, and study each move. After finishing the right side and reaching the crown, I repeat the process on the left, keeping volume and shape balanced. The crown ties the whole cut together. Before we move to the back, if you're learning something, drop a comment and let me know what stood out. I always enjoy seeing what helps you most. Step 3. Backside foundation. Begin at the crown and work down to the nape, pulling the hair out at a 90 degrees angle. Again, I cut in a zigzag pattern. Why zigzag? Because it creates texture from the start, clean, balanced, and structured. Some stylists just randomly layer, but in the long run, that leads to uneven growth. My technique allows the client to grow their hair out beautifully. I see this daily with clients, and it's the result of hands-on experience for over 2 decades. Now, I'm going to take you through the haircut section by section and show you everything from different camera angles. If you've made it this far, give the video a like. It really helps more aspiring barbers discover this content and grow their skills too. Step 4. Rechecking and refinement. Now, I redo the cut across all zones, adding deeper zigzag texture while ensuring precision and length. Always trust your instincts and your fingers. Ask your client to run their hands through their hair. If they feel something is off, adjust it now. I've had many clients change their minds at the final stage. This double check is crucial. I do this again at the end of the cut to make sure it matches their vision. Customer satisfaction always comes first. Step 5. Snap shear texturing technique, my signature move. I spray water and grab my texturizing scissors. Pulling the hair up with one comb, I snap through the hair using thinning scissors, fast, rhythmic, and sharp. I remove 10 to 30% of the weight, section by section, like a boxer punching through air. What would you call this technique? Comment it down and tell me which name fits best. This move transforms the texture. Step 6. Detailing and balance eye clean the nape, sideburns, and neckline. Using the right tools makes all the difference. It helps you achieve a sharp, clean finish without risking cuts or skin irritation. And always remember to sanitize your tools before every use. Big thanks to my team for always preparing and sanitizing everything so I can work with peace of mind. And so can my clients. Speaking of tools, I've tested many clippers and trimmers over the years. I'll list my go-to favorites in the video description in case you're looking to upgrade or use the same ones I do. Then I recheck the full haircut for even texture and shape. This is where precision matters. Hair should feel light but defined. The shape should feel alive when touched. Step 7. Wash, relax, dry. Now we wash the hair with shampoo and conditioner. My professional team refresh the face with a hot towel, then use a massage gun and hand massage while I'm drying clients' hair. This is more than a haircut. It's an experience. With the hair completely dry, I begin refining the layers again, but this time using my strike method. It's a fast and precise technique that helps reduce bulk and adds visible texture, perfect for achieving a beach style or layered look with movement. I work through the hair section by section, using smooth, rhythmic motions. This method enhances softness and dimension without disturbing the shape. It's especially effective when styling medium to long men's hair where texture and volume are key. The scissor strike method is one of my signature techniques, developed over years of hands-on experience. Let me know what you think of it in the comments. Your feedback helps me refine and share what works best for you. Now let's move into the styling phase and bring the look to life. Step 9. Styling with Jason Maki Pomade. Time to style. I use my Jason Maki Medium Hair Pomade, water-based, non-greasy, made in Germany. It enhances the layers, holds the style all day, and washes out easily. I only use my own line. Also, if you want to learn barbering professionally, comment below. I want to become a hairstylist. I'll gift my free course to the first 20 people who subscribe and comment. Clean layers, natural texture, and a stylish finish. If you enjoyed this transformation, subscribe and check out my channel for more tutorials. I share weekly videos packed with real techniques from over 25 years in men's hairstyling to help you grow your craft.
How good.